Hello guys, good evening everybody. Hope you're doing great guys. My name is called Valeria, the kind lady right here in the kitchen. If you're new here, please, you're so much welcome. And to my returning viewers and subscribers, I really do appreciate and I won't take that for granted. May God bless you. This evening guys, I just wanted to show you how I arrange my stuffs in the kitchen. As you can see here, we have got some new stuffs here. We bake a lot in this house, so we have got some cake flour. As you can see, we have here 5 boxes. We got also some dream whip. As you can see, we got some 6 boxes. We got also camel. Hey, can you see this? How do you read that? Cameli. This one, we use it for making different desserts. As you can see, we got also this. We got some turmeric powder. We got this hibiscus dry flowers. As you can see, they are dry and well packed, as you can see. And here we got some custard powder. Yeah. We got some bicarbonate soda. We got some sweet condensed milk. As you can see, this is custard. We got this madras curry powder. This is so lovely guys. If you try this one, you will love it. So we got also semolina. We use semolina to bake cakes. And we got some cornstarch, as you are seeing right here. And on this side, we got also this one. It's like custard. Yeah, just need to mix. You can top dress with the salads. You can make desserts. Yeah. And this one here, we got dry lemon. Guys, this is dry lemon. We use it to make stew. Like chicken, like meat, we mix in, and fish. And here we got some sago seeds. I remember the other time, those who follows my videos, you saw how I prepared this sago seed. Really so nice. Yeah, all these things here we make dessert stuffs. Okay. And here, inside here, we have the old stuff, which I'm going to take out because some of them are expired. So we have to replace the new ones, guys. Okay? I think you can see this one is expired. Yeah, they are expired. So we have to take them out and replace the new ones. These are all the old stuffs. You can see? Yeah, they are open. These are all the stuffs. Yeah. So, I will take all this out. This is the old stuff, guys. So, guys, you can see now the cabinet is empty and we are going to arrange. So, right here, I'm already done with the first part. Now, I'm going to arrange the second one. So we are going to arrange this one also, guys. As you can see, I have arranged them accordingly, or those who studied mathematics have sorted out the like terms. I've sorted out the like terms. Eh? Yeah. So guys, these ones are not expired. These ones, we have got them from the old stuff. And these ones are expired, if you have seen. So I'm going to put this one's here because we still have more space. That's how I have arranged. Yeah. The place is tall. I've been standing on the chair, guys. Yeah. So guys, that's all about arranging, and right now I'm going to make some geimat for evening tea. So follow me, please. Yeah, as we do our geimat. I've already done the flour. It's there. It has raised up. So I'm going to dip them into the oil. So guys, when you are making geimat, you have to keep on stirring it like this, such that it cannot cook only one side. For it has to cook all the sides at once. Yeah, when you do like this, it comes out nice, inside fluffy and outside so crunchy. So right now it's ready, as you can see, and I'm going to take out from here. Direct to our syrup. So after putting in the syrup, you turn like this, and then you remove immediately. So our geimat are ready, guys. That is it. And I'm going to add some little honey on top. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe and share this video to a friend outside there. Let's grow big. Bye bye.